started reading. Okay, so it's Wednesday today. It's 14th of May, and I've started another book. It's The Co-Worker by Frida, and I've just started it. And as of now, it's kind of, I think it's something new. It's kind of okayish, I think. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, we'll be reading that. And there's the sky is literally orange right now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite. So I finished. I started yesterday The Co-Worker, and I finished reading it today. And to be very honest, I did not enjoy it as much as I enjoyed the previous books. So yeah, but it was a good read. Even she writes in her acknowledgements that she had to rewrite it like 4 times now to make it so boring for people to read. But yet, it was not as boring as I say. But I think you can skip this book. Like, it's not like you have to read it. So yeah, it would be like around 9 or 10th position in my list of reads by Frida. So yes, if you still want to read it, you can read it, and if you've read it, just let me know in the comments. And I've got another book, The Crash, and I got The Inmate today. So I got 2 new books. So I think I'll add those 2 books in this vlog only, and yeah, I'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm in the car right now, and I'm just here with my mom, and we couldn't find any parking. As usual, that is how Mumbai is. So I'm just waiting for her. We're here to just meet one of our relatives that in the hospital. So I'm just waiting for her. So I thought I could just vlog. And this is the first time literally I'm vlogging in public. Like, I've seen some different landscape. I don't know what landscape, no. Like the different environment. And okay, there was a bus and I was just scared. Yeah. I'm just waiting for her. So I thought I'll just vlog. So I started reading the second book of this vlog. The first I'll put is Co-Worker, and I read that almost, I guess, 1 month ago. Then I started reading Rina Kent, and then I finished 3 books, The Deception one, and then I started reading The God of Malice, which was apparently my gift for the birthday. And then now again, like, just to break the whole mafia and everything, I started reading Rina Kent. I started reading Frida McFadden again. Hi guys, I finally finished the next book, The Crash by Frida, and started reading. Yeah. So anyways, you can skip this because I actually didn't like this book at all. Like, you can skip it, but it's not that good. The plot is basically, there's a pregnant woman and then she gets trapped in a snowstorm, and then there's a couple, they head in their basement, and yeah, it's just following that whole story, but it is not that good, so you can easily skip it. Also, I guess this is going to be the last of the 3 books, and I almost have completed 9 books as of now, Frida. So I might take a break since I just read other books for now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you have read any of the Frida McFadden books, then let me know. And if you want me to read and review those, let me know that also. And yeah, if you like this video, you can watch other also. I've already posted 2 Frida McFadden review videos on my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and like, share and subscribe. So hi guys, yesterday I did vlog in the car, and then I just, like, some work came up and I couldn't finish the whole vlog. So yeah. So, hi, and yesterday, as I was mentioning, after reading Lena Kent's trilogy and then reading the first book of God of Malice, I have started reading Lena Kent again, and she delivered. Oh, I'm sorry, I've kept my phone is on table. So, she literally delivered. Like, it was literally a very good book. I started this on it's Wednesday today. I started this book on Monday, and this book is really very good. Like, it's so I'll just tell you the plot. So it's basically a student, a medical student, and it's a rotation in the psych ward, and it's only like 14 hours, and she spends 14 hours there, and people end up getting murdered. And it's literally one chapter is like 1 hour in the psych ward, and it is literally a very good book. Like, I didn't want to keep it away. I just wanted to read it, and I finished it in like a day or something. So it is a really good book. It's called Ward D. You should definitely read it. Now I have another book, Crash, so I'll read that, and then I'm going to end this vlog with 3 books: Coworker, Ward D, and Crash. So yeah, and then I think maybe I'll do one other sit down video wherein so I'll vlog it, and I'll just rate whether or not you should read or not. And yes, and also I've started a new series. Like, after this I'll restart, or I'll just continue the God of Malice series, the God Hole series. So I'll keep vlogging on social.